morning, friends. Quick question. How do you usually start your day? Do you jump out of bed full of energy, or do you hit the snooze button 5 times?
Most people hit snooze at least once. But whether you're an early bird or a night owl, we all have something in common, a morning routine.
Exactly. And today, we're going to help you talk about your morning routine in English, clearly, naturally, and with confidence.
Welcome to NIA English Channel, where learning English becomes your daily habit, fun, simple, and part of real life.
This is day 2 of our 30-day daily English speaking practice challenge. If you followed us yesterday, you already learned how to talk about yourself. And today, we'll take it one step further, how to describe what you do every morning.
We'll cover everything from waking up to leaving home, with natural expressions, proper verbs, and pronunciation practice.
So if you've ever wanted to say, I wake up at 7 a.m., I brush my teeth, and I drink coffee, but in a smoother, more natural way,
Then stay with us. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to describe your morning routine like a native speaker, confidently and naturally.
all right, grab your notebook, smile, and let's start the day together in English. All right, let's get into it. Let's talk about our morning routines. Mark, what's your morning like?
My mornings are simple. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., then I brush my teeth, take a shower, and make coffee. After that, I check my emails and prepare for work.
Nice and productive. For me, I usually wake up around 6:30, then I stretch a little, wash my face, and drink a glass of water. After that, I make breakfast and listen to a short podcast before starting my work.
That sounds perfect. So, listeners, notice how we both used the simple present tense to describe our daily actions. Wake up, brush, take, make.
Exactly. The present simple tense is the grammar we use for routines, things we do regularly. Let's break it down with a few examples. Mini lesson 1, common morning actions. Repeat after us. I wake up at 7.
I get up and brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I go to work.
Great. These are the most common daily verbs. And notice something. We say, I brush my teeth, not I brush my teeths.
Right. English uses teeth for the plural. Now let's connect them naturally. No pauses. Mini lesson 2, natural flow.
Listen to this example. I wake up at 7, brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed. See how it flows? We don't say, I wake up, and I brush, and I take. We just link actions smoothly.
Exactly. In natural English, we often drop the repeated I and connect sentences with and, then, or after that. Example, I wake up at 7, then I take a shower, and after that, I make breakfast.
Perfect. Let's practice together. Repeat after me slowly. I wake up at 7. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I make breakfast. Finally, I go to work.
Nice rhythm. You're already speaking like a native. Mini lesson 3, add details for personality.
Now, let's make your routine more personal and enjoyable.
Right. Don't just list actions, add a bit of emotion or detail. Example, I love drinking coffee in the morning because it helps me wake up. Or, I always listen to music while I get ready.
That's great. These small details make your English more human, not robotic.
Exactly. When you describe your morning, imagine you're telling a friend, not reading a list.
Let's model it.
I wake up at 6:30, stretch, and drink water. Then I make breakfast and listen to music before I start work.
I wake up at 7, take a shower, and make coffee. After that, I check my emails before heading to work.
Beautiful, simple, natural, and full of rhythm. All right, so now that you've heard our morning routines, let's go a little deeper with vocabulary and grammar that make your English sound smooth and confident.
Exactly. You don't need hundreds of new words, just a few powerful ones that you can use every day. Let's start with your morning routine toolbox. 10 verbs you'll use all the time. Practice 1. 10 essential morning verbs. Repeat after us, slowly and clearly. 1. Wake up. 2. Get up. 3. Brush my teeth. 4. Wash. My face. My hands. 5. Take a shower. 6. Get dressed. 7. Have breakfast. 8. Drink coffee. 9. Go to work. Go to school. 10. Start work.
Perfect. These are your core actions. If you can say these 10 verbs, you can already describe 80% of your mornings in English.
Let's make short example sentences together. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I go to work.
Great! Now let's connect them naturally, like a story. I wake up at 7, take a shower, get dressed, and have breakfast before work.
That's fluent and natural, not robotic. Practice 2. Grammar tip. Present simple.
Let's look at the grammar you're using. It's the present simple tense. We use it to talk about routines, habits, and facts.
Right. The structure is simple. I plus base verb. Example, I wake up at 7.
For he, she, it, don't forget to add an S at the end of the verb. He wakes up at 7. She takes a shower. He drinks coffee.
Yes, that little S is small but important. It's the difference between you speak like a learner and you sound like a native.
So true. Practice 3, vocabulary expansion, useful expressions.
Now let's learn a few expressions to make your sentences sound more natural. I usually, after that, before I leave, every morning, then I, at around.
Perfect. Let's build a complete sentence together. Every morning, I wake up at around 7. I usually take a shower and then make coffee before I leave for work.
Beautiful. That sentence is clear, fluent, and full of natural rhythm. Practice 4, mini challenge.
All right, time for a quick challenge. I'll give you 3 actions. You turn them into one fluent sentence. Example, wake up, brush teeth, drink coffee. I wake up, brush my teeth, and drink coffee.
Great job. Now try these. Get up, take a shower, get dressed. Eat breakfast, read the news, go to work. Wake up, stretch, drink water.
Pause the video and say your answers out loud. You'll see how easy it becomes once your brain starts to link ideas automatically.
That's the secret. Repetition builds fluency. The more you say it, the more your mouth remembers the rhythm of English.
Exactly. You're not just learning words, you're training your speaking muscles. All right, now it's time to speak with confidence. You've learned the words and structure. Now let's make them sound natural.
Yes, this is where we train your mouth and ears to move together. Remember, fluency isn't about speed, It's about flow.
Exactly. English has a natural rhythm, like music. Short, strong beats. So when you speak, think in small chunks, not single words.
Step 1. Repeat with rhythm. Let's start slow. Repeat after me with a smile. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I go to work.
Good. Now let's connect them smoothly. I wake up at 7, brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed before breakfast.
Nice. That's already fluent English. Step 2. Work on linking sounds.
Here's the trick. Native speakers connect sounds. We don't say, I wake up at 7. We say, I wake up at 7.
Exactly. The sound flows together. Let's try a few examples. Repeat after me. I get up and brush my teeth. I take a shower before breakfast. I drink coffee every morning.
Sounds funny when we exaggerate, right? But that's how real English rhythm works.
Step 3. Shadow Me Challenge. Okay, now let's do the shadow challenge. That means you speak at the same time as us, not after. Don't worry if you miss a few words, just follow the rhythm.
Ready? Let's go. I wake up at 7, I take a shower, get dressed, and drink coffee. Then I check my phone and go to work.
One more time, a little faster. I wake up, take a shower, get dressed, and drink coffee before I leave for work.
Excellent. You're doing amazing. Remember, this technique, called shadowing, trains your brain to think and speak in real time.
Step 4. Pronunciation focus.
Let's polish a few sounds. Two important ones today. TH and R.
Right. Repeat after me. Brush my teeth. It's a TH sound. Brush my teeth. Not teat, but teeth. And drink. It's a R sound. Roll it gently, not too strong.
Try, I brush my teeth and drink coffee. Or, I take a shower and get dressed.
Beautiful. You're speaking clearly and naturally. Step 5. Emotional expression.
Now, one last thing. Add emotion. If you sound bored, people will stop listening. If you sound alive, they'll love your English.
Exactly. Smile when you speak. Even if no one sees you, your voice will show it. Let's try with emotion. I love mornings because they give me fresh energy. I enjoy drinking coffee while listening to music.
That's perfect. Confident, warm, and natural.
You're not just practicing words, you're building your English voice. Every repetition makes it stronger.
And remember, the goal isn't perfection. It's a connection.
Wow, what a great session! You just completed day 2 of your daily English speaking practice. That's another big step toward real fluency.
Absolutely. Today, you learned how to describe your morning routine in clear, natural English. You practiced verbs, linking words, and pronunciation. Everything you need to sound fluent.
Let's do a quick recap of what you learned today. Recap day 2. Talk about your morning routine.
1. Use the present simple tense for your daily habits. Example, I wake up at 7.
2. Connect actions smoothly with words like then, after that, and before I leave.
3. Use the 10 essential morning verbs, wake up, brush, shower, eat, drink, go, and more.
4. Practice rhythm and linking. I wake up at 7. I take a shower.
5. Add personal details. Tell your story, not just your schedule. Example, I drink coffee while listening to music because it relaxes me.
And remember, small daily practice brings significant results. Every time you repeat, your English becomes smoother and more confident.
Exactly. Don't just listen, speak out loud. Even 5 minutes a day will change how you sound and how you feel about English.
Mini Confidence Challenge Day 2. All right, your challenge for today is simple. Record a short 30-second voice note or video describing your morning routine.
Start with I wake up at and describe what you do until you leave home. Use linking words like then, after that, before I go, and finally.
For example, I wake up at 6:30, take a shower, get dressed, and have breakfast. After that, I listen to music before I leave for work.
Perfect. Listen to your own voice afterward. You'll be amazed at how natural you sound already.
Great work today. You're not just learning English, you're living it. You're building a real life habit that will make your communication effortless.
And tomorrow, we'll take the next step: how to talk about your evening routine in English. It's fun, relaxing, and full of new expressions you'll love. So keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every single day.
And that's a wrap for day 2 of your daily English speaking practice. You did a fantastic job today, describing your morning routine like a confident English speaker.
Seriously, be proud of yourself. Every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to fluency.
Tomorrow, we'll keep the momentum going. With day 3, talk about your evening routine. You'll learn how to describe what you do after work, how you relax, have dinner, or spend time with your family.
It's one of the best topics to practice everyday English. Real phrases you can use immediately.
So don't miss it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a day of practice.
And remember, your English journey isn't about perfection. It's about connection, growth, and confidence.
Before we go, remember this. Every time you speak, even for 1 minute, your English grows stronger.
Fluency isn't magic. It's built one word, one smile, one brave moment at a time.
So keep practicing, keep smiling, and never stop believing in your progress.
Because your voice, yes, your voice deserves to be heard in English too.
We're proud of you. You're not just learning a language, you're opening doors to the world.
Thank you for learning with us today on the NIA English Channel.
We'll see you in the next episode, where English becomes your daily superpower.